Now we are going to see another important topic, that is your dispersion of light. Now what is dispersion? When we see the prism, when we incident a light, and that is your white light, so it has been displayed, we get these 7 colors, so that is splitting of white light is your dispersion of light. You can look at the diagram. Suppose this is a white light and this has been incident through a glass prism, so you can see that they are splitted into 7 colors, that is red, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, that is your Vibgyor. Now you can see over here the red light is deviating less, so its deviation is going to be minimum, or we can say because its wavelength is maximum. So here, from here also we can conclude that wavelength is inversely proportional to deviation, and the light which is deviating most is your violet light. So that's what we were talking about, dispersion of white light. So once we talk about angular dispersion, so it is basically the separation between the two extreme colors, that is violet and the red. So for delta V we can write it as what? Mu V minus of 1 into A, and for red light it is going to be what? Mu R minus of 1 into A. Now once you solve this further, so A will be taken out as common, and ultimately we are going to have mu V minus mu R. So that is your angular dispersion denoted by theta. You can see it from here, which is mu V minus mu R into A. I hope it is clear. Now that's the diagram. Suppose this is the for violet light and this one is for red light. So this is your delta V minus delta R, which is mu V minus mu R into A. And another important is your dispersive power. So it is basically angular dispersion upon mean deviation, and mean deviation we take it for yellow light. So here we are going to have theta, which we have seen, it is mu V minus of mu R multiplied by A, and for yellow light we can write it as what? Mu Y minus of 1 into A. So A is going to get cancelled out, so we are going to have mu V minus mu R upon mu Y minus 1, and this mu Y is basically average of these two, that is mu V plus mu R by 2, that is your mean deviation. So this is your dispersive power. I hope it is clear. Now we have seen that it depends on the material of prism and it does not depends on the angle of prism, because A is cancelled out, so it totally depends on the material of the prism. It does not depends on the angle of prism. So that's the end of the topic.